Hi guys, this is Shahul. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the last minute revision notes that I made to myself. It will consist around some 500 pages of mini notes. You can see here how I have written it and all those stuffs. How to prepare these notes. You should not prepare these notes in your first study. You should not prepare these notes even in your first revision. You should prepare this last minute revision notes only during your second revision or third revision. Why I am telling you is this notes is not the short form of 19 subjects. No, surely no. This note, what I have written are points which are very, very important for the examination, at the same time which are very, very volatile. How will you know which is volatile and which is not volatile? Only after 2 revisions, if you are not able to remember the concept, that is what is volatile topic. Even if you are revising it for n number of times, you will not be able to reproduce in the examination as far as you did not see that points just 1 or 2 days before examination. There will definitely be some topics in each and every subject which are completely volatile, which demands short-term memory. You can't convert those facts into long-term memory at all. You will have to see that a day before examination, only then you will be able to reproduce it. Those points I used to note it here. And make sure that the notes is very precise, that you will be able to revise the whole sum of 19 subjects in the last 2 days. This notes has 19 subjects, all the 19 subjects, but only the points which I forget at the same time which are very important for the examination. See, by the time you do multiple revision, you would come to know which are the topics which are very important for the examination and which are the topics which are not important for the examination. That you could have definitely learned through solving multiple questions. Repeatedly, if a question is coming, if the question is tagged with reason need, the topic is important. The question is not important. The topic itself is important. Okay, when you solve the question module. Actually, this helped me to solve nearly some 10 to 15 questions only by preparing this short notes. If I have not prepared this last minute revision notes, I would not have been able to answer minimum of 10 questions in which I would have been out of race. My rank would have been somewhere around 15,000 to 20,000. So now you understand the importance of this last minute revision notes, bro. It is very, very essential. You can see any toppers interview, everyone would have prepared this last minute revision note. Or some people will say, I revised the pearls at last, but I don't support that because pearls are not handmade. No. See, last minutely your anxiety will be at the top. You can't study pearls at that time and all. Pearls will have some 3,000 pearls in it, 2,500 pearls in it. So you can't study that. You can prepare your own handwritten notes, last sticky notes kind of thing. Actually, what I used to do is whenever I prepare notes, I used to stick it in wall. At the end of the day, I will just collect it and keep it aside. And then you can see, yeah, this is how I prepared my notes. Okay, so this helped me so much. I personally suggest you to prepare the same handwritten notes when you are studying for the second time too. Fine. So this is one thing I want you to practice upon. Thanks for watching this video.